Welcome to the world of industrial egg production. From this single egg, we will explore the full cycle.
The incubator trays slowly tilt, ensuring the embryos develop correctly and don't stick to the shell.
Here we see the very beginning of the cycle, as a healthy chick breaks free from its shell in the controlled environment of the hatchery.
Here in the hatchery, day-old chicks are gently sorted on a slow-moving conveyor belt. Workers wear full
Once hatched, the day-old chicks are transported to the rearing barn, where they are released onto the floor.
Levels. The rearing barn provides the optimal conditions for the pullets to mature before they begin laying eggs.
Veterinarian carefully inspects the pullet, checking for any signs of illness or stress. Maintaining flock health is crucial in these early stages.
Once mature, the pullets are transferred from the rearing barn to the layer house, ready to begin egg production.
This is the layer house, where thousands of leghorn hens produce the eggs that will be processed and delivered to supermarkets.
To maintain optimal conditions, these powerful fans regulate the airflow, removing heat and moisture from the layer house.
Here in the layer house, the hens are fed a carefully balanced diet, delivered automatically throughout the day.
In the layer house, a controlled lighting cycle mimics the sunrise, gradually brightening to stimulate the hen's natural laying rhythm. The process begins in the ovary, where the ovum matures. Once released, it travels through the oviduct, growing as the
Once laid, the eggs immediately begin their journey down the sloped floors of the layer house to the collection area. The eggs converge from multiple barns, beginning their journey through the processing plant. The eggs are carefully transported from the layer house into the processing facility, where strict sanitation protocols begin.
Before the main wash, every egg is inspected. Here, residual debris is carefully removed by hand to prevent contamination.
As the eggs move through the processing plant, they undergo a rigorous cleaning and sanitization process to ensure optimal hygiene and safety.
The eggs then move through the spray station, where a fine mist of food-grade oil seals the pores to maintain freshness.
Here in the UV chamber, the eggs are exposed to ultraviolet light, a critical step in sanitizing the shells before they move on to sorting.
Here we see the candling process. The eggs pass over high-intensity lights, which reveal any hairline fractures or internal defects before they are sorted.
At the candling station, workers identify and remove any eggs with hairline fractures before packaging. Using resonant frequency, The acoustic machine tests the structural integrity of the shells.
The eggs are scanned by a spectroscopy unit using rapid xenon flashes to check internal quality.
These sophisticated optical sensors meticulously check for any defects. The pneumatic arm quickly rejects any substance.
Quality control is essential. The optical scanners identify imperfections, and the pneumatic arm rapidly sorts.
Once sanitized, the eggs are swiftly moved to the inkjet station, where a food-safe code and date are applied to each shell.
Here, the eggs are precisely weighed and sorted into different channels based on size. Advanced technology allows the facility to process
The automated packing lanes can process thousands of eggs every hour, minimizing human contact and maximizing efficiency.
Once the eggs are safely cartoned, they move rapidly to the labeling station, where an automated system applies the Grade A sticker.
The case packer efficiently grabs 12 cartons at once, preparing them for the next stage of distribution. Workers carefully place the cartons into larger boxes, ensuring they are secure for transit to the consumer.
Once packaged, the cartons are placed into shipping crates, and an automated system ensures accurate labeling for distribution.
Once stacked, the egg cartons are tightly secured by the automated wrapping machine, ready for distribution.
Once sorted and crated, the eggs are carefully moved by forklift to the refrigerated warehouse floor, awaiting transport to supermarkets.
Supermarkets across the region.
Here in the distribution center, pallets of fresh eggs are stored on high shelves, awaiting shipment.
The process starts here, inside one of the largest egg handling facilities in the region. House.
This refrigerated trailer holds over 250,000 eggs, transported daily from the layer house to the processing plant. To supermarkets.
Pallets are swiftly moved from the large trucks to smaller delivery vans heading to supermarkets.
From the processing plant, our fresh eggs are delivered daily to supermarkets across the region, ensuring peak freshness.
Once processed, the eggs are quickly transported to the supermarket's walk-in cooler, ensuring they remain fresh for the consumer. The final step in the cycle ensures a constant supply of fresh eggs in the dairy aisle.
Once packaged, the eggs are shipped to stores, where they are kept refrigerated until purchased.
The final step in the journey sees the eggs arrive at the supermarket, ready for purchase by families across the country.
Careful inspection at the supermarket ensures the eggs arrive home in perfect condition, ready for consumption.
Shoppers often check the expiration date stamped on the carton to guarantee the eggs they purchase are fresh.
From the farm to the supermarket shelf, these eggs complete their journey into the consumer's cart.
From the farm to the supermarket, the eggs are handled with care, finally reaching the customer's bag.
The final stage of the production cycle sees the eggs safely transported home by the consumer.
After processing, the eggs are packaged and shipped to supermarkets, completing their journey to the consumer's table.
From the farm to the family kitchen, these eggs complete their journey, ready for countless recipes.
Once safely in the refrigerator, the eggs are ready for use, completing their journey from the farm.
The journey concludes as the eggs are freshly prepared, providing essential nutrients for the family meal.